Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dream with Tech. So today I'm going to teach you on how to remove an image background using Python with just 6 lines of code. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a file and name it remove background.py. Then this is the image we are going to use. So we are going to remove the background of the image using Python with just few lines of code. So let's get started. So modules or the libraries we are going to use to remove the background using Python is rembg and PIL. So if you don't have rembg installed, you can open the Anaconda prompt from your computer. So Anaconda is a Python distribution that is used for simplifying the package deployment and management. So let's say to installation. So you are supposed to install pip install rembg. And remember you are using Anaconda for this because Anaconda is the one that does well with the pip and the coda. It helps you manage your environments for your packages on while running the Python programs. But because I had already installed all this, I had already installed the rembg. You can see the output says requirement already satisfied. These are the modules that will be installed while you're installing rembg because it still depends on them. So because I already installed, yes, you can just give it some minutes so it will be fully loaded. Then when you're done, we can head back to our code now to in our program to code on how to remove the background of an image. So what we are going to do is to import now the rembg. From rembg we are going to import remove. Remove it's just like a function. Then we are going to use peer import image. Be capital I or uppercase I. Then next thing, so eventually image is going to help us on loading this image, the one we are going to use as the input for so that we can use it to remove the background. And the remove function will help us remove the background from the image that just shown you. So we can now load the image, the one we are going to remove the background. Image equals image dot open. So the image you are going to use is this one. So you just enter the name .jpg. Then the next thing is now the output image output equals to remove. So remove function accepts the image as the parameter. Then we can just save our output image output.save. Then you enter the name of the output image. You can call it output.png. That's all for that. Just imagine just 3 lines of code or 5 as you can name them, and we are done for that. Done. So let's load and see how it goes. So back to the Anaconda, then type Python where you installed your rembg. So you are going to run this program from there. Type in Python, then the name of the file we used, rembg.py, then click enter and give it some takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes, then it will be done. I have an error, sorry for that. rembg.py, no such file or directory. Only I typed it wrong. rem_bg, sorry for that. And that's all, guys. You can see done. So we can go back to our folder where the program was, the Python running, and we will find our image there. This one, output.png. Let's see the output. As you can see, guys, just amazing. Just 3 lines of code. Look at this, the output image. See the input. This was the input. Now the output image. That's how amazing Python is. Thank you, guys. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.